For 40 years, the personal computer has been built around launching apps. Click, type, wait. At Computex, NVIDIA and Microsoft officially declared that era dead with the launch of the RTX Spark superchip. This isn't a standard processor. It is the world's first Windows platform purpose-built from the ground up for autonomous local AI agents. Co-developed with MediaTek, it packs a 20-core custom ARM Grace CPU and an integrated Blackwell GPU with over 6,000 CUDA cores. Backed by up to 128 gigabytes of ultra-fast unified memory, it delivers an unprecedented 1 petaflop of local AI computing performance. The market reaction was instantaneous. NVIDIA's stock surged, while Qualcomm plunged over 8% and Intel slid 6%. This poses an immediate existential threat to the decades-long x86 desktop monopoly held by Intel and AMD. Power users who historically required thick, power-hungry laptops with discrete graphics cards can now get identical performance with all-day battery life. Furthermore, it shatters Qualcomm's exclusive grip on the Windows on ARM ecosystem, instantly forcing them down into lower budget tiers. It also gives Windows its first true native performance competitor to Apple's high-end M Pro and M Max unified silicon hardware. But the wider market impact alters how PCs are made. Because memory is integrated directly on chip, user RAM upgradability is officially dead in premium laptops. If a silent, ultra-efficient small form factor desktop can natively run AAA games at 1440p over 100 FPS, massive desktop towers lose their mainstream necessity. The entire strategy rests on software. If Microsoft's x86 to ARM translation layer stutters on legacy software or gaming anti-cheat engines, enthusiasts will hesitate. However, the industry hankers are already moving. Adobe has announced they are re-architecting Photoshop and Premiere from scratch for native Spark code. Are we witnessing the final days of the traditional x86 gaming PC? Drop your analysis in the comments, drop a like, and subscribe for more deep tech breakdowns.